Hello from our UK showroom. I wanted to show you today some vacation packing essentials. We all know it's really hard to pack for holiday, especially if you've got a family. Suitcase space is tight. So I wanted to show you a few key pieces that we think will fold down really small and you can use for multiple different moments on your holiday. So let's start off with our dinner dress. Ta-da! This is our dinner dress in our fruit punch print. I absolutely adore this dress. It's full length. There's a little slit at the front here. Halter neck and low back. So the beauty of this is you could wear it over your swimwear on the beach with no shoes, flip-flops, and then in the evening, take off the swimwear, add a pair of heels or some beautiful sandals, and you've got a beautiful evening dress. I just think, how great is that? Two polar opposite occasions, one dress. Brilliant. Next up, we've got our jade poncho, which actually I'm wearing in the lurcher print, but we have here in our protea, we have this in loads of prints. I adore this because of the versatility. So you could wear it as is, as a beach poncho, over your swimwear, at the beach, by the pool, beautiful. You can wear it undone to show your swimsuit underneath. What I love is wearing it almost as like a jacket. So when you've got too much sun and your shoulders need a break, pop this on, cover up, it still looks so chic. I am actually wearing it right now with our lurcher bandeau top, and I think that that looks like a really lovely mix there. So you could wear that as a dress down look with maybe a pair of denim shorts, little top underneath, undone. You could wear it literally as a dress on its own, no matter what time of day. It's long enough, if you can see here, to be a dress. You could nip it in with a belt if you wanted a bit more shape, or just loose in the heat. It's just so lovely. Like I say, I love wearing it open, like draped off the shoulder. I've just got a pair of my own loose fit white trousers here, and I think that this is kind of an outfit that I could wear at a beach club during the day or out for dinner. So this one, multiple uses, love it. Moving on to our Lottie B, our founders absolute fave, is the sarong, because the possibilities with this are endless. You can wear it as a sarong. Who'd have thought? You can wear it as, a skirt. We can wear it as a dress. We could wear it as a scarf. Wrap it around yourself when you've had a bit too much sun. You could wear it as a sling if you've hurt your arm. Like, there's just so many things that you could do with a sarong. That really is probably our #1 must-have to pack. It folds down to absolutely nothing, and we have it in all our prints and colours. And last but not least, a classic linen shirt. You could go classic plain, a bright colour, a print. I love a white linen shirt. I will use it along with my husband, so we need to pack one item between us. I would wear it undone over my swimwear, rolled up sleeve. I think that's a really chic look, poolside, beachside. He will wear it lunch, dinner, anytime. I mean, it's a linen shirt. But we could also wear it sleeves rolled up, tied up. I just think that that is a real key piece to have in your summer vacation packing. I hope that helps. Enjoy the summer.